Yo, good morning. Good morning. I'm a tad bit late because I had to take care of my son this morning, get him situated. But we here. We are here. Let me get my alert, the Discord, real quick. There we go. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What up, D? What up, Darius? Bo, what up? Hopefully I fixed the lag, guys. I don't really know. I'm gonna be honest with you. I feel like maybe I fixed it, but I'm not 100% sure. So if it's lagging, can y'all tell me, please? Because I don't know why it was. Hopefully it's fixed. Yeah, it has a 5-second delay, but I was wondering if like there's like a glitch, like a lag glitch where I like freeze on stream for whatever reason. Yeah, it looks like I am lagging, bro. I don't know why. Oh well, we're gonna try to work with it. Nas going straight to the freaking moon, bro. I mean, we're at all-time highs. We're at 21,000. So all-time highs on the Nasdaq, I think, right? Oh wait, almost. Pretty much all-time highs. We're like 200 points away. So we're probably gonna go up and test that 20, was it 21 or 22? Yeah, about 21,227. Probably gonna go up and test that. Something to watch for and note. Also on the news, let's pull up the news side of things here. Get financial juice pulled up. News side of things. We have, let's see, scrolling. This already happened. Jobless claims already came out and stuff, but we do have FOMC rate and interest rate decision later today. So that's going to be interesting. I have to see how that plays out. Could lead to an early choppy market today. But we'll see what the market provides anything. Let's get trading view pulled up, actually. Trading view is more appealing to look at than Tradevate. But I'll let you guys know when I take a trade. We'll move Tradevate up here. There we go. Now it's just going straight into the stratosphere, bro. Pretty wild. What up, Kelly? How are you? Tomas, what up? Nas trying to just continue making this move higher. I am looking at. We are eyeing this right here. Get my rectangle. Hello. There we go. We are eyeing this. So we'll see. I'm really not going to be taking anything until we go up and probably at least test like 134-ish and see how we react there. Nas kind of just going straight up. I could look for an entry on a smaller time frame, go down to like the 1 minute or so, but even then, I'm not overly excited to take anything on this right now. On vacation, just chilling, checking out the streams. Nice. Where you at? Looks like a rocket. Yeah, it is. It's just straight up. Where are you taking a vacation at? Ooh, Orlando. Let's go. Universal. It's a pretty cool place. Been there, I think, twice. A little bit of sellers coming through. I mean, chat, the question is, do we just keep ripping into oblivion like the rest of the week? You know, are we looking for longs the rest of the week? We'll see how price action is. Again, today is like not one of those days I'm like excited to trade, because until we have like the rate statement, because the market could just be choppy until then, you know. But we'll see. I do have some like combines through Top Step X that I could trade if I don't want to trade funded accounts. We might take a couple of trades on a funded, but we'll see. I'm not opposed to longing this. See if we get a little bit more of a pullback here. I'd like to see a pullback more so down to like 54. What up, Steve? Getting a nice pullback entry. Yeah, I definitely want to see like 54 come into play, and then take it. Have a small short at 80. Nice. I almost messed up, chat. I have 3 contracts selected, but I trade micros, but I have many selected, so that was almost bad. All right, I might take a stab long off this here. All right, I'm taking 3 micros. 3 micros long. We have some wiggle room. I'm not opposed to letting it pull back a little bit. This is a very light position, so I'm not stressed about it too much. If we come down, in like the 40s, we'll just see how we act. But I think we have a decent entry here. Good morning. Didn't realize you were here. Of course, I'm here. Yeah, I think I'm switching from going live in Discord to like actually just streaming YouTube. But I want to do something more like exclusive with people in Discord here. So I'm figuring out what that looks like. But I think I want to just trade live on YouTube, and then we'll do something exclusive in Discord for all my Discord members. If we get a move back up to like around like 80, I'll add to this position. I'll add 2 contracts to the position if we can get a move to 80, but we'll see. We need to get back above like 60, was it 65? Got to get back above 65. If we can clear that 65, we'll probably see 80 again. But sellers are still trying to hold us down a little bit. Okay, trying to make a move back. There's above. Okay, we're trying to get above 65 here. We'll get ready to add if we can get up to 80, and try to take this above the highs here. Good morning. Still struggling with that 65. It is holding us down. I'll set a stop down here at 38. Okay. Trying to get a move here. Want to see 80s to catch an ad. All right, let's add 2 there. So we're in 5 micros long. Average price 64. Try to get a move above the highs here. My stop now is moved just under break even here. So stop is just under break even. About 10 points on 10 points under break even right now for stop. Well, might get stopped out here. Might get stopped out. Steve, I'm gonna trail it, so I'm gonna take some of the position off above the highs if we can get there, and then I'll trail a stop until we just keep moving as we just move higher. No specific target in mind above. Just gonna let it trail. So I'll take 3 off above the highs if we can get up there. I want to see this rip the highs before I take off anything. If it's gonna give it to me, I don't know if it's gonna give it to me. Stop can go to break even at this point. If we come back down to my entry, it feels like a reversal at that point. So my stop's at break even. That way, this trade will not turn red on me. See if we can get this push above the highs. There we go. All right, I'm out of 3 cons there. And now we'll set this break even 2. Actually, we're going to trail the 2 now. So I got my final 2 contracts trailing. And we'll just try to let it ride. Final 2 contracts are set at 88 for a stop loss. And we're just going to try to ride it as long as we can. But the final 2 contracts are stopped in profit, so we're good. Riding the wave, let's go. We'll see how long we can ride it. We do not have a profit target set above. We're just going to ride it as long as we can. All right. Moving the stop to about 90, 92. $92 is right at this wick right here, Steve. So you see this wick? That's my stop on the final 2. So that's what I'm determining off of. If as I move it higher, I'm really gonna trail it by like maybe 10 points at a time as we continue to move higher. Because there's no like real market structure up here for me to like say, oh, this makes sense for my stop loss. So what I'll typically do is just trail it by like 10 points or so, which I'll likely get stopped out quickly doing that, but that's okay. So moving higher, going to stop loss on the final 2 contracts is at 97. David, great trade. Why buy at 54? Well, I was really eyeing like this wick here, but I wanted to front run it. That makes sense. Yeah, so I'm trading live on YouTube every morning going forward. Stops at 101. Might get stopped out. We'll move it down a little bit. Stops at 100. Stop at 100. This could stop us out here for a nice profit. Or we just keep moving higher. That's cool too. Okay, here we go. Might get stopped out. Stops at 100 on these final 2. We're kind of like just teetering. We're teetering. We'll stay in as long as the market will let me. All right, there we go. Final 2 contracts stopped out. That was overall from 55 to 100. So that was a 45-point trade total for 340 trading micros. Not bad. Good trade. GG's. We'll look for another. That's why I love micros, man. Micros are where it's at, bro. Anybody that tells you otherwise, they lying to you. They are lying to you. Micros are the way to go. Yeah, 100%. 100%. It's just so stress-free, right? I mean, you're putting on risk, obviously, so you're going to feel a little bit of emotion tied to it, but micros allow you to be wrong in a much larger way before you're right. And that's why I appreciate them so much. But this trade was, we had not a perfect entry, but I mean, we took 55 to, we took about 6 points of drawdown on that trade total. So overall, that was just almost a perfect trade. I love micros because my initial risk is so low. Once the trade proves itself, you look and load it up. Yeah, exactly. And that's what we did. We started that position with 3 micros and added 2 more at 80. We'll see what the market does. We do have the interest rate decision later today, so I kind of expect volume to die off pretty early. To anticipate that, I have a feeling the market anticipates and knows that we're probably going to get a rate cut, but we'll see. We'll see. See what the market gives us. Overall, though, very, very bullish day. All right, let's go back to trading view because it's just much easier to look at. Initial balance range continues to move. See, we are at, what is that, 116? So about 113 point initial balance right now. Not too bad. Biden is speaking now. What's he saying? What does Biden have to say? See if I can find it. Oh, he's speaking here in like, what was it? At 10 a.m.? Yeah. Wait, it shows here he speaks at 10 a.m. My time, Central Time. I didn't see where he was speaking right now. Unless I'm just tripping. Hold on. Yeah, it shows he speaks in like an hour. And we continue higher. Voted for Kennedy. Don't blame me. I don't blame you. Bro, so what made you go long earlier? I thought you always wait for IB to finish creating. No, not all the time. I've said that I take trades before the IB gets settled sometimes. Um, like sometimes I'll trade just straight up momentum, right? I mean, if we're just bullish, the entire market's bullish. Like, what have we been doing the past like couple days? Just, we've been mooning, right? Just going straight up. So longs off pullbacks have been the play pretty much every time, right? And so when you have such bullish momentum, look for pullbacks to give you entry and ride that thing. I don't wait for the IB to take my first trade. When the IB is set and we get around the initial balance, that's when I start really looking for entries and trades around the IB. But I don't. Yeah, I mean, I'll take trades before then. I'll take 15-minute opening range breakouts. I'll take straight up just momentum trades. The initial balance is like once it's set, that I mean that is my main strategy. That's my bread and butter. Like that is my money maker strategy. My highest win rate, most probable setups. Like that's my shit. But I'll take trades before it gets set for sure. That's your go-to message when I have friends angry at the election. The way I put it is everybody has their own views and opinions. We can all disagree and still be cool. You know what I mean? Gotta have another strategy to complement the IB trades. Yeah. Is YouTube live every day here from now on for market open? Yes. Which prop do you work with? I have accounts with TopStep and Tradeify. I really been loving Tradeify. I'm not gonna lie. Tradeify has been really, really good. Speaking of, y'all want to get 35% off? There's a link down in the description. You guys can use. Here, I can actually put it in the comments. Tradeify, right there. Actually, here, let me do this. 35% off. Tradify. Direct to funded. There you go. And I'll pin it. You can see the pin comment. Tradify is doing 35% off. Direct to funded. Yeah, they do Tradeovate. But I mean, you can use TradingView. Buyers stepping right back up, taking us higher. Gonna probably go run the highs. Does anyone know if Fast Track is done doing business? No, they're not. They're not done doing business. They just are not doing well. They're just not doing well. People are waiting a month or so before getting payouts. It just makes no sense. But it's tough because like it's hard to like predict these kind of things when you. At first they were like paying people fast and it looked good, and then it's like all of a sudden things took a turn for the worse with Fast Track. And then you got the CEO like out buying fucking McLarens and like all these cars and shit, and it's like, bro, pay your traders. Pay your traders, bro. Do you want direct to funded? Is it Falar? I don't know how to say your name. I'm probably butchering it. I'm just gonna say Falar. But do you want direct to funded accounts? You personally don't see Fast Track getting out of this hole? Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, I mean they're in a very bad spot, and their reputation has gone to shit too. Can't get into Nitro. Did they put in Discord they're having issues? Let me get Discord pulled up here. We'll see. Announcements. No, there's nothing in their announcements tab. Let's see. Platform issues, maybe. I see a lot of people having rhythmic issues. Huh. There's no support team in FTT. Bro, what's going on with FTT right now? Bro, nobody can log in to Rhythmic. And there's this out of support thing that people are seeing when they're. Bro, what's going on? Oh, no. Everybody's asking, like, where support's at. Everybody's saying like staff left the. Bro, what is happening? Is FTT done for? No. Everybody's talking about how staff left FTT, bro. Sounds like the rug pull is complete. Sad day for the futures. Yeah, I mean, holy shit. What? Hold on. Bro. Yeah, the Discord is like. Hold on. This is more important, chat. Screw trading right now. What is going on? He paid people yesterday. Everybody's talking about how just like staff left and stuff. Like, where's. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna send. FTT is shutting down, chat. I think it just got confirmed. Yo, FTT is done. Oh no. Bro, the CEO Scott is like gone. He's like just. Oh wait, no, he's still in there. Well, chat. Chat. I'm gonna say this now. 35% off Tradify. Holy shit, man. Fucking Scott, bro. This is sad. Like, this is the one thing like I did not want to see happen. Because in the beginning, Fast Track started off so good. So good. Like, he was paying people. The business was thriving. He was blowing up. He wasn't late on payments. Everything was so good with FTT. So good. And then shit just went to hell, bro. That's just... And this is so bad on the industry chat. So bad. All right, I'm gonna mess somebody real quick. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, FTT shutting down, chat. It's over with. It's over with. He just straight up rug pulled FTT. Dude, there's gonna be so many lawsuits. So many lawsuits. All right, I can't say. So yeah. I pretty much just believe I got confirmation that they are shutting down. That's sad. I can't say who told me or why, but because that'll come out later probably, but it seems that way. Seems that is what's going on. And today could potentially be last day of sales. So we'll see. Oh, brother. Chat, I don't even want to trade now. I'm like kind of yeah. I don't know. Oh, well, a lot of people are going to get their payouts rug pulled, man. That is sad. Kind of just consolidating up the top here. Let's go to the 5-minute. I mean, look at these wicks. We're just in straight up consolidation mode. Sorry, chat. I'm like super distracted right now. I'm messaging some people about FTT, getting just like the scoop. You know what I mean? Well, I got a video coming out today, and chat. I'm gonna do this live on stream, right? I'm gonna say this first. We got how many? We got 54 people in here. I'll say this live on stream, but I'm also gonna say it in a YouTube video as well. When FTT started, they had a good system going. Like they were thriving. They had a business. They were paying people. I don't know what happened. I don't know what caused such a big turn of events. It seemed like they did not have. It seems like they don't have a reserve to keep up with profitable traders who are trading 20 accounts. I know one guy, just one dude alone, that traded with FTT. I met him. He had 20 of the biggest accounts there, and he was pulling in 6 figures a month from FTT from payouts, multiple 6 figures a month. And when you have traders that know what they're doing and are good, and you don't have reserves, and you're only relying on paying traders out of sales that you're making, chances are I mean, unless you have systems in place to handle that kind of momentum and that kind of money, and that is what it is. So my thing here is, yo, I promoted them early, and I'm sorry I did. That's it. That's all I can really say. They look good. They were doing well. And then shit hit the wall and hit the fan. So that's on me. I'll take that one on the chin. And for those that got rug pulled, no, I'm sorry. That's it. I say all that, and Koa says stop defending FTT. I'm just gonna ban Koa. I don't really need that shit. Did I just defend FTT, or did I just say what a shitbag they were and that I was sorry for promoting them? I mean, you want to say that I'm defending them? Just goodbye. they just didn't have a good business model. Don't really think it was a scam. It's hard to say like if they were a scam or not a scam. I mean, that is like kind of on to determine something like that with certainty. You need a lawsuit, do an investigation, right? We could all say like they're a scam or they do this and that, right? You need a lawsuit doing an in-depth investigation to prove that a company is a scam. Could they be? Sure. They 100% could be, right? They 100% could be. We just don't know that with 100% certainty, right? So, but the whole 20 accounts, like if you think about it, like 20 accounts with no rules or any system in place to help protect the business, it was just kind of a free for all. Like, go make as much freaking money as you wanted and request it. Like, I think Scott just didn't know what he was doing. And they could be a scam. I don't know. Could be. But like I said, you need an investigation to do an in-depth, thorough sweep of the company and Scott and all of them. Yeah, to really determine that. But I'm sure it'll come out. I'm sure there will be lawsuits. The issue with prop firms is we don't get real numbers. Honestly, we should be able to see the risk management and how the numbers actually work. Yeah. Sure, the owner had good intentions when starting out. I mean, I would like to think so. I mean, I met the dude. Like, I was out in New Jersey at their whole FTT payout meeting and all of that. Like, I was there and I met him. So I need to ping my Discord members too. Hang on 1 second, chat. Hang on 1 second, chat. I'm just typing in Discord real quick. All right. Either planned a long con or got over his head and now runs. It's one of the two. They'll just give us monthly revenue and payouts are so quick to get payout data, but nothing on income. For all we know, we're being paid out of a credit line. Could be. Could be. All right. Let's get back to trading, chat. Let's get back to trading. Let's be traders. Show me that IB rejection scalp. Show me that IB rejection scalp. I haven't taken an IB rejection scalp yet today. If I do, you'll see it live. I haven't taken it yet. Back to trading. That's correct. We got 6 people in here. If y'all are in here, drop a like on the video. It tells YouTube, hey, people seem to like this dude. Drop a like. Yeah, let's go. Also, guys, don't forget, if you're new here, we are doing a absolutely free live masterclass on market profile. It's going to go over things like a value area, initial balance, point of control, all around market profile theory. It's something that I've been studying for quite some time. Initial balance is part of market profile, and has been my bread and butter strategy. And we did a previous masterclass over the initial balance in trading failed auctions and or continuation breakouts. So we did a whole entire masterclass on it. It was a huge success. We had a lot of people on Discord have been using it, making money with it. We're going to go even further into market profile. Not only talking about initial balance, but also talking about value area and point of control. So it's going to be big. And overall, how you can use it too, right? There's a lot. This is going to be a very information heavy masterclass. The last one we did was like an hour or something long, and we only talked about initial balance, right? We only talked about initial balance. Now we're fixing to talk about value area and point of control. So this is going to be very information heavy. It could go over an hour. It probably will. I'm thinking more like an hour and a half of a masterclass. So it's going to be, it's going to be crazy. When is the masterclass? December 7th. It's in Discord. Just check the event tab. If you're not in Discord, join up. It'll be in the event tab there. You can add it to your calendar. First time here, hard to find. I'm hard to find. Love the stream. What up, Sophia? I'm hard to find. I don't like that. Yeah, change that. I gotta be easy to find. I gotta be everywhere. How is that? I was honestly. That's crazy. That's crazy. Your video from yesterday. Oh, so you're one of the people from. Okay, gotcha. Now it all makes sense. So I didn't take a scalp off in the IB yesterday. Yesterday's video was a strategy video in general, more so like not necessarily like a strategy video, but more so a basically theory and showing how scalping can be much simpler than what people make it out to be. So trading's hard. Like, it is very, very hard, right? And I know a lot of people in the comment section were all like, oh, he's talking about trades in hindsight and trades already happened, yada, yada, yada. I mean, cool. Yeah. I mean, I'm making a YouTube video at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, in the evening. Right? Market's already moved, chat. It's not a live market, but it was more so showing like when you have a system and a process and you know exactly what you're looking for. It wasn't like an entry and exit video. I wasn't showing where I got in at or where I would exit. I was showing the possibilities of what you could take when you know exactly what you're looking for. I think a lot of people got that confused and they're like, you're just showing trades in hindsight. No, I didn't have trades in those areas. I'm just showing you, like, I'm dating back on charts. Like, if we came into a new day like today, right? I'm showing you what I'm looking for from either previous trading sessions, whether it be highs, lows, Asia lows, London highs, previous day highs, previous day's lows, and looking at those areas to find where the market is most likely to conduct business, right? Because the market's job is to seek business, find areas where it can conduct the most transactions. That is the job of the market, right? And so people got that. I feel like people got that video confused of like, oh, this is just an entry and exit video. This is showing the trades that he took and yada yada. And that's not wasn't the case. That's just saying this is what I look for to take scalps, and it gets easy when you have a system and know exactly what you're looking for. And so hopefully, what was your name? Airboat Rob. I don't know. Hopefully that brought some clarity for you. I don't know. If it didn't, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Schedule it? Yeah. I think that's a good idea. I'm gonna do that. You know what? When I get off this live stream, I'm gonna schedule it for tomorrow. That way you'll be able to see it. Volume is dying, chat. You can see it. Volume's dying. And it's, I mean, kind of said we thought it was going to, just given the fact that we got an interest rate decision later today. Market's gonna be waiting for that. Potential long could take here. But at this point with volume dying, I'm not entirely sold anything. We did take one trade today. It was a good trade. My top step live account, we were captured about 54. What was it, 54 points? Something like that. So now we're just waiting. You know, we did get an entry, a couple entries, but I got so caught up talking on FTT and figuring out what's going on over there that we've kind of missed some entries, but that's all good. But you guys are in Discord. Join up. Join up, join up, join up. This whole day is going to get freaking crazy, bro. Like, I feel like YouTube and Twitter is all about to erupt over FTT. Sorry, chat. I'm just like looking at I'm looking at these comments on Twitter. Twitter's erupting right now, guys. It's like erupting. Yeah. Well. Super sad. But all right, guys. With that said, volume is, I mean, we are continuing to rip to the upside. Oh, actually, here we're at IB high. Let's see what we can do here. We might take a trade. We might catch something here off the IB high. I wasn't gonna call it, but we're in an area that I'm interested in. So let's see if we can catch a trade. and market is absolutely ripping. All right, so we're getting continuation above IB high. I don't really see a rejection happening here. We're just bullish at the moment. Very, very bullish. Probably going to have a slow grind up, I'd imagine, until we get the interest rate decision, which I think the market's already kind of anticipating that we're going to have a rate cut. So seems that way. If I'm going to continue watching the charts, but I need to do a little bit of digging on FTT because this is going to be, I got to get a YouTube video out as soon as possible. So I'm going to do a little bit of digging on this and try to get as much information as I can. But I'm going to get started on that. Chat, if you continue trading, just know we have the rate decision later today. So be smart. The volume could die off. But with that said, if you haven't already, join Discord, link in the description, guys, and I will see you next time. Cheers.